start a company, you have a big dream and a big ambition. The big dream started 4 years ago, and the ambition now is made possible thanks to our listing on NASDAQ.
A big round of applause is in order for Immune Pharma today at the closing bell at NASDAQ.
We're delighted to have you here as a company that embodies exactly the type of company that we built this center to attract. An ambitious growth stage biopharma company that sees the value in cultivating your company in New York City and of course focused on improving the lives of patients.
We thought a lot about what it would take to get biotech in New York. And what it would take was Alexandria. And it's going to be great for New York City.
In trying to cure and attack diseases such as inflammatory diseases and cancer, it uses methods that it can deliver a very targeted drug and hopefully cure a specific type of disease. So that requires a lot of genius. They not only put together different applications for a particular drug, but also put together different laboratories in different countries and views about the world. And that's the beauty behind Immune Pharmaceutical.
Second point I want to talk about with regard to Immune is the focus in areas of high unmet medical needs. The other area where we're starting a phase 2 program as well as ulcerative colitis is bullous pemphigoid.
Daniel has built a company and he's moved forward in an area which is very interesting in an orphan autoimmune disease of the skin. What's great is that in science today, we get to do really interesting and cool things.
Well, there's a change in pharmaceuticals. It's 10 to 20 years ago. It was one drug fits all patients. And it has evolved now toward personalized, or what is called also precision medicine, which is basically seeking the right drug for the right patients. Right now we have a strong balance sheet. We're listed on NASDAQ. We have the ability to attract more capital to the company, and we're executing to our plan, both in terms of partnering Amicat as well as the clinical trials. So we're very bullish about the immediate and midterm future of Immune Pharmaceuticals.
We're very excited about what goes on in New York. Immune Pharmaceuticals is doing some exciting, interesting new things. We hope they're very, very successful.